Hey there! Check out the ROCKBROS aluminum motorcycle bike phone mount designed for phones from 4.7 to 7.1 inches. It fits most devices including iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13 Pro Max, and many Samsung models. This mount features 8 silicone cushions to protect your phone from scratches and vibrations on rough rides. Installation is quick and easy with the included tool, fitting handlebars between 17 and 30 millimeters. The upgraded shock absorption technology uses 4 rubber columns to safeguard your phone's camera and stabilize your device. Plus, the double 360-degree rotation with silicone balls lets you adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle. Made with durable materials, this mount stays secure without slipping even on bumpy roads. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.